the touchdown. Jake Ballard has set it up. He's in for the touchdown for the Giants.
Tebow in the shotgun. And he decides to go with the quarterback draw. Tebow with running room. Tim Tebow. Tim Tebow touchdown.
I really think that the guy was like, nervous or something. He was like, show me, I'm gonna take it easy, man. The fight gonna go on, Don't worry about it, He was like more concerned about what he was gonna make. I didn't have no trouble. I was gonna be that. Trust me. I waited all these years.
And we pray for them every night. We're going to start praying for those kids that got involved with some of the problems that we talked about.
Down. Guys, no one has asked Joe to step down. That's all I can tell you at this time.
This is more than a football legacy. This is about people. And if we can't protect our kids, we as a society are pathetic.
Remember, we're always going to be Penn State, regardless of what happens to certain people. We're Penn State. I'm proud of you, fellas. I'm proud of you. I've always been proud of you.
As much as they want to play basketball, they're still of the mindset that they're not going to accept a bad deal. And that's the message that we have to send, I guess, to the other side.
Caution down.
Caution is going to come out. Both drivers trying to get by. Looked like the 17 of Timothy Peters. They slid up the racetrack, and now Kyle Busch not happy at all.
It's all good, dude.
And Kyle Busch is going to turn the 33 to the wall. Championship contender Hornaday in the wall.
Well, Kyle Busch should be parked for this race and maybe the rest of the season for that.
The kicker, Drew Alamo. LSU remains undefeated.